If an actual webcam is not detected into Windows, or your webcam just isn't showing up anywhere, this is usually a connection or a driver issue. Anywhere is fixable in a few minutes. So I'm going to be showing you how to get started. Start with the basics. If it is an external USB web camera, it might be looking not like this because this is an actual camera that is integrated with your USB. But if you're using a USB camera, it might be looking something like this. So here you wanted to make sure, really important, that unplug this and you plugged it into different USB ports, ideally directly into your PC, not through a hub or a mother USB pass-through. Try a different cable too if you have one, since a bad cable is a common overlooked cost. Once you have now fixed all of those elements, you wanted to check the device manager. Let's open the device manager by focusing here into the Windows. I go for right click and I go for device manager. Inside here, I wanted to look for the element that usually appears directly under cameras and imagining elements. Inside here, I should see that my camera should be now installed. So if your webcam shows up with a yellow warning, for example, click here as right click and look for the element that says upgrade to driver. If it doesn't show up at all, check on the Universal Series Bus Controller suite that usually appears directly inside here. And do exactly as I just did. Right click, update the driver. If the updating doesn't fix it, you want to right click to the device once again and go for uninstall device. And then we wanted to go here and click into the element that says restart. Usually Windows will detect the hardware again and start up and reinstall the driver automatically. Next, I wanted to focus directly into my settings, go into my Bluetooth and devices, and then I click for the element that says cameras. Make sure your webcam is listed and enabled. Really important that is going to be appearing directly inside the element that says connected cameras. You can add a network cameras, but I think that this might be only working for cameras that has their own driver and applications. Also, you want to double check settings, privacy, and secure camera and make sure camera access is turned on. So to make sure it's turned on, go here for privacy and security camera, and the camera access has not been correctly turned on. Also, if you're going to be using your camera for a specific application, you want to make sure that the application has enabled the camera access and you're good to go. And that's it. Your webcam should be detected and ready to use. If this got yours working again, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this one. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.